Have you ever felt a sudden tightness in your chest or maybe a shortness of breath during physical activity? There could be a sign of something serious, a heart attack. Welcome to our channel where today we delve into the causes and symptoms of heart attack. Understanding these warning signs could save your life or the life of someone you love. Heart attack occur when something blocks or reduces the blood flow to a part of heart. This can happen because of clot in one of the blood vessels when the heart does not get enough blood and oxygen. It can damage. It is a serious problem that needs quickly medical help to prevent more damage. Causes of heart attack. Number 1, blocked arteries. When the blood vessels supplying the heart get clogged with plaque, it restricts blood flow and can lead to a heart attack. Number 2, high cholesterol. Too much cholesterol can stick to artery walls, narrowing them and making it harder for blood to flow freely to the heart. Number 3, high blood pressure. When the force of blood against artery wall is consistently too high, it strains the heart and increases heart attack risk. Number 4, smoking. Tobacco damages blood vessels and makes blood more likely to clot, raising the chance of heart attack. Number 5, diabetes. High blood sugar level from diabetes can damage blood vessels and increase the risk of heart problems. Number 6, family history. If close relatives have heart attacks, it can increase your own risk. Number 7, getting older. As we age, our arteries may become narrower and harder, increasing the risk of a heart attack. Number 8, unhealthy diet. Eating too much fatty, salty, or sugary food can contribute to plaque build up in the arteries, raising the risk of a heart attack. These steps to address these factors like quitting smoking, eating healthier, exercising, and managing stress can help lower the risk of having a heart attack. Symptoms of heart attack. Number 1, chest pain or discomfort. Feeling like there's a heavy weight on your chest, tightness, squeezing, or a dull ache in the center. Number 2, pain spreading to upper body. Discomfort or pain spreading to your arms, especially the left one, back, neck, jaw, or stomach. Number 3, shortness of breath. Difficulty in breathing, feeling like you can't catch your breath or needing to take shallow breath. Number 4, cold sweat. Suddenly feeling sweaty or clammy if even the surroundings are not hot. Number 5, nausea or vomiting. Feeling sick to your stomach, possibly leading to vomiting or an upset stomach. Number 6, heartburn-like sensation. Feeling like you have indigestion or heartburn, but the discomfort does not go away with the antacids. Number 7, coughing or wheezing. Persistent coughing or wheezing, especially if it's accompanied by other symptoms like chest discomfort or shortness of breath. These signs can vary from person to person and not everyone will have all of them. If you are someone you know experiences any of these symptoms, especially if they are severe or come on suddenly, seek immediate medical attention. Maintaining a healthy diet, exercising regularly, managing stress, avoiding tobacco, and getting regular checkups can help reduce the risk of heart problems. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumb up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And if you have any question or suggestion for future video, feel free to leave them in the comment below. Until next time, take care and stay tuned for more exciting content.